guys, it's Steph.
And Kim, and we are here today to show you how to smoke a pipe. I'm using the American Blends Black Cherry.
And I'm going to be using the Century VC blend.
So step one, you want to check that you have the right moisture level in your tobacco. You don't want it to be too wet because you will struggle to light it and it can cause tongue bite. And also you don't want it to be too dry because it will lose flavour, okay?
Now we move on to packing the pipe. And to begin with, you want to start off with a nice loose packing at the bottom. So grab a little bit of tobacco. Give it a little tamper down. And then you want to go on to a slightly firmer packing. So get a bit more in there. Another little tamper down, a bit firmer this time. And then on the top, you want it to be the firmest out of the three.
Make sure it's all packed in there.
Get it in there really good.
Tamper down as well. Oh, it looks nice.
Yeah.
You just want to check that you've got a good even draw. So mine's perfect. How about you?
Yep, all good.
Good, lovely. So once that is all packed in there nicely, you can light your pipe. Lovely. So you just want to light all the way around. And you want to inhale as you're doing it. So I've used matches, but you can also use pipe lighters. We've got other things on the site, just take a look. So just keep inhaling until you get a nice little ash on the top.
If it does go out, that's no problem. Just start again and keep lighting until you get the...
Keep going.
Until you keep it going.
So once you've got that alight, you should have some ash on the top. You just tamper that down. And then we call this the secondary light. And you just continue inhaling. Lovely, and then once it's light, you can enjoy. Oh, lovely. How's yours tasting?
Yeah, that's a good blend. Tastes a lot like custard creams.
I'm getting that cherry. You do want to keep a good rhythm when you're inhaling. I would say, obviously you'll get your own sort of like rhythm as you go, but for a beginner I would say every 30 seconds just to keep it alight.
Yeah, just to keep it alight and keep it going. But as said, if it does go out, it's not a problem.
Absolutely fine, yeah. You just relight.
Yeah, just go again and relight it. So as you're smoking your pipe, you want to just keep an eye on your bowl and tamper when needed. So just get any tamper of your choice and gently tamper the top layer. This helps the embers below keep on burning and to stop you from losing flavour.
Obviously, if you're new to smoking a pipe, you're not going to be able to tell straight away if it needs to be tampered. So the things to look out for, if you've got a reduction in smoke, or if you're losing flavour, that could be that you need to tamper it. Also, when tampering, you don't want to push too hard because you don't want to put that ember out, so just nice, light and gentle. So that is everything. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below and we'll come back to you as soon as we can.
And join us next time when we shall do a video to show you how to clean our pipes.
Thank you.
Thanks.